Hi, first grade, it's Miss Julia. Our book that we'll be reading today is called You Will Be My Friend by Peter Brown. As we're reading, I want you to think in your head about what makes a really great friend. What qualities or characteristics make a really great friend? All right, let's start our story. Lucy was very excited when she woke up. Mom! I've decided I'm going to make a new friend today. Isn't that exciting? That is exciting, Lucille. But how do you plan on finding a new friend? Mom, the forest is crawling with fun critters. Surely one of them will want to be my friend. This is going to be great. So, Lucy went outside to begin her search. Good luck, Lucille. Bye, Mom. I cannot wait to make a new friend. We're going to do cartwheels and have picnics and climb trees and go swimming and have a dance party. All right, friends, let's recap for a second. We know that Lucy is really excited to go out and find a new friend. What's her plan for finding her friend? Her plan is to go out and look for one. She seems really excited about all of the things that she wants to do with her new friend. Do you think her plan is going to work? Let's keep reading. Lucy's search got off to a great start when a nice critter invited her to play. Ooh, ooh, yes, I'd love to join you. Ribbit. Woohoo! But things didn't work out. Uh-oh, what happened here? Why did her plan go wrong? She splashed all the frogs and all the water out of the pond. Uh-oh. Oh well, there are plenty of other critters in the forest. It didn't take long for Lucy to find another friendly-looking animal. I'll just go up and introduce myself. Munch, munch. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to climb into your breakfast. That friendship didn't work out either. Lucy did her best to win over the forest animals. She was helpful. Don't worry, we'll get that nasty smell out. She asked lots of questions. So tell me, what's it like to fly? And she tried to fit in with everyone she met. But Lucy was starting to feel ridiculous. Why is it, do you think, that Lucy's starting to feel ridiculous? Maybe it's because in her search to find a friend, Lucy's doing a lot of things, trying to fit in, that maybe make her feel a little uncomfortable. I noticed that in the picture when she's underwater, she doesn't look too happy. And it doesn't seem like she fits into that kangaroo suit too well either. She came close to making friends a few times. Thanks for inviting me to lunch! But something always went wrong. Sorry I ate your house! Buzz, 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 buzz. Lucy couldn't believe how hard it was to make a new friend. She was ready to be friends with anyone. Well, almost anyone. Squeak, 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 squeak! Well, it looks like Lucy found some people to play with, but does she look very happy? No, not at all. That's when things got ugly. Come back here and have fun with me! You won't get any snacks unless you start liking me right now! You will be my friend! I can wait. Do you notice anything that's changed about Lucy? At the beginning of the story, she was really excited to go find a new friend, but right now she seems very frustrated. Do you think that Lucy's going to make any friends this way? I don't know. What advice would you give to Lucy right now? Lucy tried to calm herself down. Take a deep breath, Lucy. You can do this. You can make a new friend. Just be yourself. Doesn't anybody want to be my friend? This is hopeless. It looked as if Lucy would never find a new friend. And then a funny thing happened. Squawk? Squawkity squawk? Oh my gosh! Are you asking me to be your friend? Squawk! I accept! And that's the story of how these two friends found each other. The end. What was it about this friendship that worked so well? How come this time it worked? Well, it looks like Lucy and this new flamingo friend found things that they both like to do and that they both can do. And it seems like this flamingo friend wanted a new friend just as much as Lucy did. That's all for today, first grade. I'll see you next time.